In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the area of an irregular shape in AutoCAD using the hatch command. Whether you're working on an intricate project or need to finalize some technical details, knowing how to calculate the area of irregular shapes accurately is a crucial skill that can save you both time and potential errors in your work. Let's dive right in. We'll begin by navigating to the Home tab within AutoCAD. This is essentially your main hub for accessing various drawing and editing tools. Once there, look towards the Draw section, where you'll find the Hatch tool. It's a versatile function designed for filling in closed areas or objects with various patterns and textures. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply type Hatch into the command line, and this will invoke the same function. With the Hatch tool selected, your next step is to apply it to the irregular shape whose area you wish to measure. Carefully create the hatch pattern by clicking inside the boundaries of your shape. It's important to ensure your shape is fully enclosed so the hatch function can accurately fill the area. This filling process not only visually distinguishes the section, but also sets it up for further calculations. Now, once the hatch has been applied, click directly on it to select it. You'll notice a variety of properties appear, often in a panel on the right-hand side of your screen. We need to delve into these properties to uncover the information we're after. Scroll through the property panel, and amongst the listed attributes, you should find one labeled Area. This numeric value represents the area of the irregular shape, as calculated through the hatch fill. It's a straightforward yet effective method to accomplish what might seem like a daunting task at first. While going through these steps, remember that accuracy in defining your shape's boundaries is key. Any gaps or incomplete lines can lead to incorrect area measurements. Double-check your drawing if the area seems off, and ensure your lines are properly connected to form a closed shape. To wrap up, this method of measuring the area of an irregular shape in AutoCAD using the hatch command is not only efficient, but also enhances your ability to visualize and quantify parts of your design. It's a handy tool for architects, engineers, or anyone who needs precise area calculations. So, the next time you're faced with an irregular shape in your project, you'll know exactly how to tackle it confidently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your experience with AutoCAD more effective. Don't forget to check out other helpful tutorials to continue expanding your skill set. Happy designing!